In this nugget, we will be looking at collision theory. Collision theory states that for a reaction to occur, the reactants must collide with enough energy. If the reactants bump into each other with enough energy, they may react, and we call this a successful collision. If the reactants don't bump into each other at all, then there will be no reaction. And if the reactants do bump into each other, but they do not have sufficient energy, then they will not react. We call this an unsuccessful collision. There is a minimum amount of energy needed for a reaction to occur, and this is called the activation energy. To summarize, collision theory states that for a reaction to occur, the reactants must collide with sufficient energy called the activation energy. Keywords: chemical reaction, a process in which substances, the reactants, are rearranged into one or more different substances, the products. Activation energy, EA, the minimum amount of energy that particles must have to react. Collide, bump into. Successful collision, a collision between two reactants which will lead to a reaction.